Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 17th of November. First of all, national news. Pen maker Rotomac global charge in 750 crores bank fraud case. Tata Motors said Jaguar Land Rover CEO will resign. Supreme Court puts High Court observation on feeding stray dogs on hold. Ahead of questioning by Central Agency, Jharkhand's Hemant Soren said this. Future technology will have Indian fingerprints everywhere. UAE Minister. Mask no longer compulsory during air travel but is advisable. Government. PM Modi met UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak in Bali, discussed trade ties. Congress world's greatest event manager. Jibe at PM over 2023 G20 summit. Court allowed Johnson & Johnson to manufacture powder but not sell it. Today's era must not be of war. G20 declaration echoes PM's message. Meta's India public policy head Rajiv Agrawal, who quit yesterday, set to join Samsung. Landmark warned for 32 former women Air Force officers will get full pension. And now international news. Ahead of Nepal elections, Indian held with 15,000 fake ballot papers arrested. On Poland blast, NATO said Russia bears ultimate responsibility. Russia praised measured US response to Polish missile incident. Russia said images of wreckage show Ukrainian missile hit Poland. Ukraine said power supply being restored after massive Russian strikes. Enemy knew exactly what he was doing. Ukraine on Russia missile strikes. Terrorist state among you. Ukraine's Zelensky slams Russia at G20. Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov left G20 summit in Bali early. Indonesia handed G20 presidency to India. Today's era must not be of war. G20 declaration echoed PM's message. 6 magnitude earthquake hit Indonesia's Sumatra. And we are working in a calm manner. Poland president after missile kills 2. I am ready. Donald Trump announced bid for 2024 US president election. And now some sports news. Sharat Kamal became first Indian to be elected in ITTF's Athletes Commission. US gymnast Sunisa Lee announced Paris Olympics bid. FIFA World Cup France captain Hugo Lloris will not wear anti-discrimination armband in Qatar. Supporters right to boycott FIFA World Cup. Dutch coach Louis van Gaal said. IPL retention, Rajasthan Royals hit R. Ashwin release rumors out of the park with epic tweet. FIFA President Gianni Infantino expected 5 billion to watch Qatar FIFA World Cup 2022. Youth World Boxing Championships, Deepak Vansh's registered opening wins. Now news related to business. Sensex rise over 100 points to close at a new record high of 61,980.72. Rupee recouped losses but down 21 paise for the day at 81.31 per dollar. LIC's decision to sell Reliance Capital's debt upsets lenders, bidders. Foreign investment in Indian equities grew 8% to $566 billion in September quarter. Chinese authorities call on retired workers to help iPhone plant, a report said. Elon Musk told Twitter staff, opt for hardcore work or take severance. Suraj Bhan appointed as chairman of National Pension System Trust. Now news from Science and Technology. Study confirmed that you can communicate with your cat by blinking slowly. NASA Artemis 1 moon mission lifts off, third times the charm of SLS rocket. Let's have a look on the temperature of New Delhi. The maximum temperature during the day is going to be 24 degrees Celsius around 2 pm. The wind will be breezy and will get up to 20 km per hour at 1 pm. Blowing from the northwest, the sky will be clear of clouds along the day. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.